Hello everyone. So this video was intended for purpose to be my experience on our subject, the food processing, packaging, and marketing management. So I am Kenan Buchano, sophomore student at Marikina Polytechnic College, taking a course of Bachelor in Education in Teacher's Education, majoring in Food and Service Management. So this is my major subject, the food processing, packaging, and marketing management in this second semester, or in our last sem. So this video, I'm gonna express my experience and what I have learned on this subject. So to begin with, first of all, I will express my gratitude to my teacher, Mrs. Doc Monica, and to our student teacher, Ma'am Danica and Jenny, for teaching us a good learning about everything that we need in the food industry. So so I experience in this semester is a great opportunity to have, because this is what we need in our major subject in food and service management. Packaging, from processing food until the marketing management or the distributing and so on. So in this subject, we tackled about different methods in food industries. So from preparing dish, from labeling, packaging, and distributing. So in this subject, food process, I learned that in preparing food that we consume in our house, not just in our house but in all aspects of food industries, the food that we bought in the market is not just they put it in the market. It has a lot of way or process, and before we buy that kind of ingredients or the dish that we need to prepare. So first, we learn how to preserve food, how to prolong the shelf life of it, and that case we can save up money. Also, we learn how to prevent the spoilage of that's trigger the food to be rotten, or your dish can be prolonged. Also, we learn how to process food according to its kind, taste, and also its temperature. Then we learn how to prepare dish from food selecting until to processing and up to distributing. We learn that it is not just you put consumable food in the market, or you just not like if you have business, if you have a food business, you just don't you don't just put it in the market. It has a lot of process to be taken with. So we need to know what is labeling. It is also the one we tackled in this subject. Then the packaging, that was also one of the things that you need to do when you have food business. Packaging is not just about you putting food inside a container. It's about the right process from canning, packing, preserving, boxing, and distributing, and delivering it. So as you see, there's a lot of process now, but you can have it done if you have all the learnings that we need in this subject. So all I have learned from this semester subject, food processing, packaging, and marketing management, that it's not all about food. that this subject teach. It teaches us how to communicate, how to social interconnected, how to think better in making consumable food. It helps us to know the skills we have by giving group work, individual tasks. Also, our last um, project, the one that we do in the school. Um, we have kind of food booth. Then we presented our dish that we prepared that has been canning process. Then we sell that on the people that work and take class on the School of Marketing Technical College. So it helps us to know the skills we have by giving us group work, individual tasks. Thanks a lot to those learnings because you have given to us, because we will cherish those memories we have been together. So all those learning will be guided me, not just me, but my whole sections in the future that are waited for us. These subjects make us be better and best in our work. So that's all. Thank you for listening in my experience and thoughts about this food process, packaging, and marketing management subject. Thank you, and padayon lang sa hamon ng buhay.